Welcome to Rome Tech. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This video covers my personal experience with AXA Health, UK, review my usage experience. AXA Health, UK, review my usage experience offers private health insurance in the UK. It's aimed at individuals and families seeking comprehensive healthcare coverage, including access to specialists, treatments, and potentially other benefits like dental and optical care. Their website provides details on specific plan options and coverage levels. Key features often include hospital admissions, consultations, and diagnostic tests. Their website details various plans and pricing structures. They emphasize a straightforward claims process and access to a network of healthcare providers. They highlight their customer service and the range of options available to suit different needs and budgets. Availability is nationwide across the UK, and details can be found on their website. Now, let's talk about my personal experience using AXA Health. Getting started was surprisingly easy. After filling out the online application, I received confirmation within 24 hours. Navigating their website was intuitive, finding information on my plan details and covered services was straightforward. I recently needed to see a specialist. The process of finding an approved consultant and arranging the appointment was simple, completed entirely online. The appointment itself went smoothly, and the claims process afterward was equally efficient. The reimbursement was processed quickly. I was really impressed by how responsive their customer service was. When I had a question about a particular procedure, they answered my email within a few hours. One minor drawback was that some of the information on their website could be better organized. Overall, I'm quite satisfied with AXA Health. They delivered on their promises, and the whole experience felt streamlined and professional. That's my overview of AXA Health, UK, review my usage experience. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Rome Tech for more reviews and tech tips. Check the description for any relevant links. Thanks for watching.